people, so welcome back to another video. We've got something very special here today. So Romeo's brought it down. It's his beast. He's going to run us through some of the stuff on it.
Yeah, so it started off life as a R32, pulled the engine out of a Passat R36. Everything just fits perfect. Looks like it should have come like this from factory, but
Yeah, it's something else, this thing. I mean, like, nowadays there is kind of just the usual, you know, 7Rs and S3s driving around. If you know your 32s, or in this case a 36, the engine's out of Passat R36, but for it to be in a Mark 5 is a big deal. Pure NA power.
And then just supporting mods, so like suspension, brakes. I took that all from my old car because I used to have a Mark 5 manual. And then I had two R32s for a couple of months while I was swapping all the stuff over.
Okay. Now it's you know, as soon as I saw it, I was thinking, what do I even say here, man? It's like I've kind of caught the R32 bug a bit, but just like you have to just stand here and appreciate it, really, because I mean that's what usually most R32s are. Obviously it's an R32, I keep saying R32, but this, you'd have to call it an R36 Mark 5 now. He's even done the badge as well. Romeo goes in, man. So 3-door in deep blue pearl.
Deep pearl blue.
Sorry, bro. OZ wheels. Got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's on there too.
Yeah, they only just come out in the UK in 18s.
Oh no way, these are 18s?
The 18s, yeah, PS4S's. So as soon as they came out, I was like, buy.
I'm a fanboy of these tyres, and like I just all these years I've been buying the normal PS4s and the 18s because we never got these.
Exactly. So for a long time, everyone knows they only came in 19s or above. Never really came out in 18s in the UK, maybe other countries in Europe. But as soon as they landed in the UK,
bang, ordered. It's a good spec car as well. Got a sunroof to hear the VR6 noise. Inside, what are these? Got Recaro buckets too?
Yeah, pole positions.
Pole positions.
Yeah, 7 kilograms each.
I actually messaged Romeo last night just checking if I actually would fit in these bucket seats because I was a bit worried, you know. I've packed on a bit of weight since these last few months when I wasn't making videos.
What do they call it? They call it, was it lockdown weight or something?
Yeah, bro, it was more than that for me, man. In terms of power output, is this just a standard R36 engine?
Standard R36 engine. They come forward from factory.
Yeah.
And I've just done all the maintenance, so chains, engine oil.
Yeah.
Even that massive Ford air filter.
Yeah. So what would you estimate roughly this thing's making?
Roughly it's between 310 and 320.
310 and 320. Yeah.
I'm going to Surrey Rolling Road next week.
Okay, yeah.
Actually, before I go Nürburgring.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going Nürburgring on Wednesday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a nap before.
This Wednesday?
This Wednesday. It's Sunday today. I'm going on Wednesday.
So you don't play around, man. Trust me, this car puts in the work. It's not just a show car. That's going to feel nice on the road, that was, because you got that NA throttle response as well.
Yeah.
It's something I haven't really appreciated as much until I bought this. It's a standard R32. The way, because obviously when you're used to the GTI's TFSI, it's got a lot of boost, but then, you know, when you just off gas and you press it again, you gotta wait a split second. It's just the way it sits as well. It's just, what suspension is it running?
So I've got KW freeway adjustable suspension.
K-Sport brakes, is that, am I right there?
Yeah, they're pretty much K-Sport brakes, but I've bought them from the company called D2 Racing.
Okay.
They are exactly the same. I think they've just got D2 stickers on.
Okay, yeah, they're quite a familiar caliper.
Yeah, 6 pot at the front, 4 pots at the rear.
R36 badge on the back too. No playing around. It's like an OEM Plus kind of build, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much OEM Plus. People see it and they're like, oh, look at that 32. Oh, wait. Oh,
yeah. 36. And I'd just be sort of shocked if I saw this on the road. And what, we've got a Scorpion back box, is that it?
Yeah, Scorpion exhaust. So it's 2.5 from the manifold into a 3-inch decat.
Okay.
Into a 3-inch back box.
Okay, nice, it's a 3-inch system.
It's got 2 silencers, but it's still...
Yo. you have to stand back. Yeah, that's loud, man. You know, I haven't actually stood behind an R32 in a while. I normally either in there or the front. You forget how, because you can actually feel the exhaust fumes coming out.
So it's the Mark 6 R steering wheel.
Yeah.
It's got the Mark 6 R centre dash conversion.
Oh yes, of course.
Sat nav.
Yeah, I got this in my GTI. DSG, of course. Mark 6 light switch. All these things I appreciate, man. Oh, you got the key done as well?
Oh yes, I think that's a Mark 7.
Yeah, that's a Mark 7 key. Yeah, it's gone all out, this. Sill plate too is different. overall nice touches on this. Yeah, I think that was a nice walk around of the R36 Mark V. I think we'll call it that for the rest of the video. What do you reckon, Romeo? Should we take it for a drive? Yeah, I think that's what we should do, man. So yeah, we'll get the GoPro set up and yeah, catch up with you guys in a second. I don't know if I mentioned at the start, this car is stripped out in the back. You might be able to see. It's pretty much set up for the track, isn't it, Romeo?
Yeah.
So it's an interesting one for me because I've been in so many cars with this dashboard. Yeah, they're nothing like this. It's like as soon as you turn it on, it feels like you're starting up something substantial, if that makes sense. You tell there's a big lump up front. Like you're saying, this is probably the only R36 converted Mark V in the UK.
As far as I know, it's the only R36 Mark V in the UK.
See that one?
Come on,
proper beast, man. First gear pull while standing start in an R36 with a little bit of a rollout. Is there like a main man for this that like the community goes to? I mean, I don't think this is the only one, but like, is there a R36 conversion guy?
Yeah, his name's Kev.
Kev.
Yeah,
okay.
Shout out man like Kev.
Shout out man like Kev.
Yeah,
bro,
R32 car garage. He's not talking to me right now, by the way. I don't know why.
Yeah. Bro, you gotta come through, man.
Yeah, man. Come on, Kev.
Come on, Kev, man. You've done some nice work here. That's what I'm saying, man.
Come on.
How do you even source an R36 engine? Like, there's not many R36s on the road, so.
No. So, I actually bought the engine from Kev, and I think he had the engine from an R36 that had a rear incident and written off from insurance.
Yeah. Because that itself is a rare thing to happen. There's going to be an R36 on the road and for it to be available for parting.
And quite low mileage as well.
And he literally just shoehorned it in here, straight.
Yeah, straight in. We did it together in a weekend. So we put the engine in. So I think I came down on a Friday, took the engine out on the Friday actually, and then we had the engine in by the Sunday.
I bet you were at Nürburgring on the Monday, yeah?
Nah.
This guy, man, I'm telling you. All these familiar bends you guys will remember in the videos. Going half the speed nowadays though. But this is a very planted car, so it's all good. That it doesn't run away from you as well. You can control it quite easily.
I reckon you could have beat him like that.
I'm a responsible guy.
Yeah, I hear that.
I'm a responsible guy. Alright, let's give it something first, yeah. It has got a little DSG bang at the top, hasn't it?
Yeah, once you redline it.
Bro, I kept that secret, you know. Dude, tell me about that, you know. I've been here just going up to 2,000 RPM. Right, so we just pulled over, yeah, because Romeo said let's put on the 4-point harnesses. So I might as well go full race car, yeah. Got them on now.
Come on.
Imagine being in a Mark V and I've got a race harness on. I never thought this day would come. It's one way to spend a Sunday.
Oh yeah.
So you know the Haldex on this is it literally, you've kept it exactly as it is from factory?
Exactly, it is from factory, yeah.
So I've seen some people get those controllers and stuff like that.
Haldex controller, yeah, that's incoming.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as like a little explanation, I guess, for the audience, what would that benefit you?
So Haldex controller, you can control how much power you have to the front and rear. So for example, you can have it 50-50, you can have it rear drive bias, so you can have it 60-40,
yeah.
You can have it, I think you can have up to 90 or 80% one side.
I suppose for you on track as well, that would be something that would benefit you.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Jeez. Yeah, this once the gearbox is mapped, it's gonna be, you're just gonna be going around everywhere just blipping down shifts.
Yeah, man.
Race car Mark 5.
Yes.
And people ask me what I like about Mark 5s. Well, just look in it.
Come on.
Going around this roundabout,
yeah,
you know, the weight up front is less apparent. It feels like the whole car is heavy,
yeah,
rather than you're kind of trying to chase.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's front heavy, nose heavy.
Right, so as we're just slowing down, cruising, let's go around this bend first. I think here's a good place to end the video, Romeo. What do you reckon?
Yeah,
I think we've had a nice blast in this. Big thank you for bringing it down though. It's been a new experience for me. I'm glad I could say I've driven an R36 Mark 5. Never thought the day would come. I didn't even know one exists in the UK, to be fair.
Yeah.
It's something I've always seen on YouTube. But yeah, big shout out to yourself, man, and Kev as well.
Big yourself up, Kev.
Yeah, Kev, man.
Come on, man. Why are you unfollowing me for, bruv? Follow me back.
Nah,
do you know what I mean?
Nah,
you know what I mean? He did all his hard work and he's like, I don't like Romeo.
Nah.
Now you, Kev, man. Follow me back.
Kev, man. Yeah. But yeah, make sure you subscribe for a lot more content to come. Make sure you drop a like on this video. Also check out Romeo's Instagram. I'll put it on the screen and in the description. Plenty of R36 content on there. He's going to be in the Nürburgring properly. He's probably going to be on the ring when you see this video. Knowing this guy. Yeah. But yeah, guys, take care, and I'll see you in a few days' time for the next video. So.